Hi, I'm Paula Stoddard with Quiltmaker Magazine. Prairie points are a great way to add some fun and dimension to your quilts and your blocks. So I'm going to show you a quick way that you can make your prairie points. So first you'll start with your square. You're going to fold it in half, wrong sides together, and press your fold. Then you're going to fold one corner down like this, fold the second corner down like this. You'll take it to your ironing board and you'll press it flat, and when you're done, you will have a prairie point, just like that. You can do this with just about any size of square. Here we have a small square. You fold it again twice, press it flat, and you will have a prairie point just like that, just like all of these. So this is a really fun, quick way to make your prairie points.